How to add recipient on Wise app. Are you guys facing issues to add recipient on Wise? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Wise app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the icon for recipient. Click on it. Once you click on it, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the option for add. Click on it. Now select your currencies. Once you select it, now we need to enter the bank details. Click on someone else. You need to write down the email address, and if they are inside the Europe, then select the option for inside Europe. If they are outside the Europe, then click on outside Europe. Once you fill up all these details, click on confirm, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna add recipient on Wise app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.